Ndị be anyị kelenu m unu. Daalụnụ nke kunu melụ. Ama m na anyị lahụrụ ọfụma. Bụ unu be anyị ka anyị ji na-ewetara unu ihe anyị na-eme n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taata. Anyị si unu n'ụlọ ya ọya dịrị nche niile na mma, ọya dịrị ana Igbo niile na mma, ana Igbo ya adị ise ise ise. Dịka o si wee gbatakwuru, o nwere ihe anyị fụrụ n'iru akwụkwọ anyị si ka anyị tinyere unu n'ụbọchị nke taata ka unu gee ya bụ ife gbasịta maka ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị bụ Eastern Region. Anyị si ka anyị tinyere unu ya bụ ife ka unu gee ya ọfụma ọfụma site na mbido ruo na nkwụsị. Mana ọzọ dị ka ibe ya bụ mfe ige ya bụ ife bụ site na ya bụ Igbo midia ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ozi dị oke mkpa. So bunu unu ga-esikwa na ya bụ ife unu adọrọpụrụ anyị kọmentị unu. Achọghị m ka anyị ka mmọnwụ n'elu mmọnwụ, ọ mere anyị ji wee sikwa unu gee ya bụ ife unu ga-esi ya unu adọrọpụ kọmentị ihe unu chere gbasịta maka ya bụ ife. Alright, dịka o si dị, ngwanụ gee na ya bụ ife.
Everyone, and they divide themselves into two. We thought they came to fight while we were on a very serious gun battle with others. Others were busy breaking people's shop in the market because they know we cannot carry fight enter market, stealing people things, and that is what they know how to do the best. We are happy that we do not lose any show and we cannot lose so. As I do always tell them that we have died before and we refuse to die again. And ask them to tell you they are lost. But don't worry. As we say, this January is just a January of January. We will give you what you want once we enter February. You see those armor tanks? The same way you stop coming with fighter jet, is the same way you will not able to use your armor tanker again. It is a promise. You know now, when we say something, we do something. And we always say what we can do. Imagine you with armor tank 10 throwing bomb, shooting non-stop. But does it stop us? Did it stop you not from dying? Did it stop you from dying? You still die. You still die. And you know that sometimes when you come, we will not exchange bullet from with you because of the market people. Before these people will run away and find their safety place, you don't already think that you don't stand a better chance. On Sunday and on Monday, we should know that there is no market on Monday. You refuse to come. The day you know that there is no market, you can never turn up because you know everywhere will be open. You always want to use human shield. You want to use human being to shield yourself. You are a coward. You are a coward. You are a fucking coward. You know the open space and you cannot stand on an open space. You always want to use human being to see yourself. But don't worry. As I told you before, that February is going to be a very hot month for you. We will hunt you down, we will pursue you, and we will pursue you until you will be no more or nowhere to be found. It's a promise, not a threat. You know how we roll. You know how we roll. You know how we roll. We are coming. Nothing will save you. And this is to tell you also that I've been going around talking rubbish, that hope have made peace. And when I tell you that we did not make peace with anybody, some of you were saying I'm lying. You have seen it, right? We don't lie. And as we told you that there will be no peace until Biafra is fully restored, so shall it be. I'm asking you, what kind of peace are you talking about? Is it a peace that will bring the death of 30 millions that die in the name of Biafra? Will that peace restore them? Will the peace with Nigeria save Nnamdi Kanu from DSS dungeon? Will the peace with Nigeria bring all the Biafra activists in their various prisons to a better life? You see that there is nothing like peace, and there will never be anything like peace until Biafra is restored. But watch out how it's going to play out from the month of February up. Do not forget to prepare yourself, because they have come in a different pattern. This pattern, while you are waiting to see if they are dressing with the uniform, they have denied their uniform. They have denied their uniform and coming in a civilian way. But nevertheless, men are equal to the task. Check them very well if you see them in your area. Fulani is not hard to identify. Yoruba is not hard to identify. I know that another person have collected a contract. They have come with many machinery. It is not a new thing for us. We are used to them. But whatever way them comes, they have come to meet their doom. And wherever mean they come, their end is death. Now we dey here. Now we get the ground. This is the land of our ancestors. And as we always tell them, we go nowhere. So, tell your people that they should prepare while you are also preparing. Because as I told you before, that this rain that is gathering is going to fall. I do not intend to go move further. As I told you earlier, that we do not have time to give you long sermon. Prepare. They have come and they have died. But we want to burn everywhere down so that this gradually cripple our people businesses will stop. So get prepared. We are going to do it together. Get prepared. We are going to do it together. Yes. Why I'm saying this is when it begins to hot, many of them will pull out their clothes and run to and enter your house and seek for refuge. But let me tell you this. Let me use this privilege to inform you. Anytime that happens and you accommodate or hide our enemy in your house, you and that enemy will die. It is your duty to draw our attention whenever such enemy run to hide in your domos. Take your eye, know whosoever that are a bubagu now, because they will also participate in the punishment. Those of you who think we do not know you, we know you. Don't worry, we are coming. You know how we they do. You know how we they do. Please stay safe. If you are in Imo State, the whole Imo State, stay safe. This fire is going to burn very hot in Imo State. It will burn so severely, and I hear we go start the fire to spread. The fire will spread out. Please be careful. Stop moving in the night. Stop moving in the night. Stop 9 o'clock. Stop 9 o'clock. Stop moving in the night. Make sure you are in your house at least 7 p.m. You are already in your house. I'm begging you in the name of Chukokika Abiyama, or in the name of anything you know as your God. Stop night movement for your life's sake. For your life's sake. For your life's sake. If you are on a vehicle, once you know that that vehicle will not reach your destination before 7, tell the driver to upload that vehicle. Find a safe place and sleep. Continue that journey in the morning. For your life's sake. Life is more important, because you never can tell what will happen from 8 down. These people are divine a very big mean now, and they have seen what you have not yet seen. They have made up their mind, since Biafra is already settled, then let's destroy and kill Biafrans before they finally achieve what they have already achieving. This is the authentic information. Many people who move in the night were nowhere to be found in the morning. Those of you who love football so much, please, if you die, you will not watch that ball again. If you cannot stay in your house and watch, if you do not have any means to watch football in your house, leave that football, let it go. Unless you have happy and way that will keep you away from the main route.
And by Dalun Linen, Yabukwa Igbo Media, I see when I would take on Nupozia do Kemba. The guy si Konunkwa, and the guy si Nabambo, Ewelike, in a new no update. Buye basta makifene mena anibo bayi and the mother when kanazo. ya bụ nkwa ka anyị kwere unu ana anyị ga na-emezu ya. Ọzọ dịka ibe ya bụ iwe ọchịa ihe a kịta ị nụrụ n'elu akwụkwọ Biafran Prime Minister kwuru, gwa onwe gị eziokwu n'ụdị nke gị na nchịkọta mmụọ gị ka ghara iwelitela anyị n'ihe a, maka oke ihe ga na-esi na-emezi. O nwere ebe ekweta na ndị Igbo ya anọ, o nwere ebe anyị sịrị anyị nọrọ. Igbo abụlọ senate president, Igbo abụlọ vice president, nothing. And na ụmụ ihe ndị niile amegasịkwa anụ ụmụnne anyị esokwu na-agba ofa mgba maka oke ife ya je megidezie ajụrụzi asị ma ọ gịnị na-emezi ọ dịka arụ achọziri ime anyị. Negodin ka obodo si dị ka e mere ji jide nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na mkpọrọ akwa maka ndị Igbo. Gịnị ka ihe ọjọọ mere? Maka ọ sị na Igbo ga-adị, maka ọ sị na anyị ga-adị, na anyị ga-adị ka echi na echi ada agwụ agwụ. O nwere ihe ọzọ eji jide ya? Jụọ onwe gị ajụ a, gịnị ka eji jide Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Ọkwa maka ọ sị na Igbo ya adị. Biko ọtụtụ ka iwe chetara ife a bụ Igbo midia anyị na-asụ n'onu be anyị, ọ n'onu be anyị ka anyị na-asụ. So biko ọ bụ na ịda anụ Igbo iwe ewe na gị, ọ n'onu be anyị ka anyị ji akọwa ihe na-eme ebe a. Ka ego ọkwa na ya anyị na-ekwu bifo unu ekwe n'iwe ka ife onye ndu melụ, ọ sị na ya na-eme mgbomgbe ndị Igbo na-abịa ya n'alụ, ọ na-ewute ya. Simon Ekpa pinie anyị agbawa ya mgba ka e mere obedient movement. Akwụwụrụ okwu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru before ejide ya, they will never give you that president, that seat. Akwụdoro na ya na Peter Obi winere mana nyere ya. Gịnị ka nsị ya bụ? Mba, Igbo mana na ife maka oke esi na-ekwuzi okwu ọka ife ga na-esi na-emezi. Ọ bụ na ịkpọrọ onwe gị mitin, chụkọ onwe gị ọnụ, jụọ onwe gị ajụ a ka ebe ịkwụ n'obodo a bụ Naijiria. Ajụ nchọkwa onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo na-ege m ntị n'elu akwụkwọ a, jụọ onwe ya, na na-ejicha onwe gị ya bụ ife isaa ya. Ọ gwụna ka m n'ọnụ. Ihe a bụ Igbo midia.